Welcome! Today I am with Kia Sportage and I will show you how you can change auto connection priority. So the first you have to tap on the settings icon. Next you have to go for the boot settings. Right now go for the auto connection priority. And as you can see here we got the two devices connected, iPhone and the Huawei P30 Pro. So we can simply switch between them by tapping on one of them, just like that. And we can also go for no phone selected. So we are not going to be connected automatically. So we have to decide what you want to get. I'm going to switch to the iPhone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.